Regarding a football field, for example, a football field with 1 billion people, it's relatively large, so we need to solve one aspect of its brightness. There's also an aspect of uniformity. How do we deal with it? In terms of brightness, it's relatively simple. In fact, the uniformity will actually be even greater. So, for the first step, you provide a blueprint of your current location, surpassing the requirements of the client, right? What kind of level is he going to do? Okay, after we know this data, what should we do in the second step? We are going to provide you with a simulation map, right? How much power should we allocate to you? For example, this OC is 400, WK is 400, this is WK's. 400S400 is just one of ours. The hat with an empty glow, this is also called an outer glow. In that case, let's set up one of its luminous angles and one of its powers. So, are we going to install the lights, right? So, for installing lights like this one, if I basically don't have any lights, you need to adjust them vertically, which is very convenient. This is fine. But after we make the plan, some of the angles of the lights might be biased, right? What should you do if this happens to you? In general, when we make a plan, we will always suggest it to the customer. When we customize this bracket, we will give them this picture, right? You want you to customize such a bracket. What are the benefits of customizing such a bracket? We can achieve horizontal adjustment of the light fixture. I can cash out this horizontal adjustment because after we install this lamp, if we want to control the uniformity, I must ensure that the lamp is still usable. Level adjustment, then my uniformity is very easy to control. You can adjust it to whatever you and I simulate. Otherwise, we can simulate it for you. When you actually install it, if you can't adjust those angles, that would be troublesome, right? That's troublesome, then your uniformity won't match up, and you won't be able to match our design draft. So, we're all being emphasized, and even if we do it this way, we still have the blueprints, right? You can just follow our blueprint, right? In that case, this one is a cover for the sky glory view, which is also controlled by the outer layer. Basically, there are some residential buildings nearby, or it can be said that the venue has relatively high requirements for glare control, so this will be added. If the requirements are not high, well, just use a common solution.